Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, sorry I could not upload video on Saturday. Usually, I prefer to upload my videos on Saturday so that people can watch right after the market closes. But yes, I had a flight from Dubai to Kolkata. Yes, I'm back to Kolkata again. Again, I'm flying tomorrow to Bhubaneswar. Okay. So, the airport, this is my second home these days. Okay. Anyways, let's get started. So, we have been talking or discussing about the correction on gold, which has been going on for the last 2 3 days. And thankfully, this correction was needed of the hour because we all have been waiting for a big correction, and we can see that yes, market is still under the correction. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us here, and we can see that more or less it resembles a double top kind of a pattern. Usually, I do not prefer to talk about patterns because I'm not a pattern trader. But if something is clearly visible in front of our eyes, then obviously we cannot deny it. And we can see the market is forming the pattern here. If the fall or correction continues, maybe market will break the neckline and we may get to see further downside. Okay. So only time will tell. Okay, but now it's very early to say that whether the market will be showing further correction or not. But at this moment, it seems that okay, if gold breaks 2325 level, gold will be heading towards 2300. Okay, so if you are a positional trader, then obviously okay, you need to wait a little because the more you wait, the better price you get as a positional trader for a buy position. Because here we are talking about positional trading, means your positions will last for a couple of weeks to couple of months, so obviously you should be on the buy side only because fundamentally gold is bullish. But if you're a swing trader, then you can play both the sides if you feel that okay, the fall will continue for the next couple of days. But yes, position traders, it's always better and safer to be on the buy side only because of the supply and demand. Okay, and so let's discuss the trading opportunities then. The levels that we discussed in our previous video are still very much valid here. So as I was saying, if market breaks 2325, okay, we can expect the market to go down further, and in that case we can look for a sell position below 2325. And I believe that market will not break 2300 as of now. If you're a day trader, a swing trader, position trader, doesn't matter, you can expect a good amount of bounce from 2300 area. Okay, so the market opening is going to play a very important role because volume is a very important thing in market here. Without volume, okay, without the understanding of volume, obviously it is very difficult to trade. So if we see a normal market opening, if the volume of the market is low, in that case you can expect the market to remain within this range only. Listen to me carefully, okay, if you are new to the market, volume, if price is the king, volume is the queen. So if market opens like a normal Monday market, sleepy Monday, then you can expect the market to remain within this range because to break any level, volume is extremely important. In absence of volume, market will not be able to break any level. And 2325, the previous level will be acting as support. As a day trader, you can expect a quick bounce of 30-40 pips. But if you see the market is standing at 2325 with a big red candle, it means that sellers are present. In that case, just wait for 15 to 30 seconds. If you see the market is going down with high speed with a big red candle, it means sellers are a little bit dominating. In that case, you can look for a sell. So see, market is very much subjective. One level, two trading opportunities. So it all depends on the volume. Okay, so 2325, if market bounces with less volume, because of less volume, we can look for a quick buy as a day trader. If market breaks 2325 with volume, we can look for a sell. Means if you see market going down with candles like this, then you can expect okay, these sellers are dominating. So where you can keep the TP here. You can keep the TP around 2315. Okay, and if market breaks 2315, then you can directly keep your target on 2300. It all depends on you. Okay, but I don't think so. Market will be going down directly to 2300 because our market always move in a zigzag pattern, whether market is an uptrend or market is in downtrend. Okay, and 2300 is a round number, it's a psychological level, and moreover, okay, moreover, the whole world is waiting for the market to bounce. So 2300 is going to play a psychological level here. So I think as a day trader, position trader, swing trader, we all will get a nice bounce around 2300. Do not put a tight stop loss because sometimes around these levels market also go for some SL hunting sometime. You may see market going to 2295, 2294, hunting all the stop losses and going up again. That is also possible. But ultimately market should respect 2300 as of now. And after the market opening, if we see gold going up, then the previous resistance of 2350, 2355 is very much valid as a resistance. We have already discussed in a previous video also. Okay, if you did not watch, then you can see we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area. Along with that, it's a 2350 round number psychological level. Moreover, the same level also acted as support previously, so we can expect the previous support also to act as resistance. Means we have price action, we have FIBO, then we have psychological something something. Okay, so in this market condition, definitely we can expect that sellers around this area will not allow gold to go up that easily. So if you see market going up, once market will enter 2350, 2350 area or zone, just switch to a lower time frame in 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. No need to wait for the candle to close. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes just to see whether market is showing price rejection from above or not. Once you'll see the market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button. You can put a stop loss of around 50 pips. How much you can expect? At least you can expect 1:1. If you after getting 1:1, okay, you can also go for break even, and you can look for 1:2 as well. So the market opening is going to play an important role. As we all know, market has been very sensitive because of news and geopolitical tensions. Stay in touch with the news. Any news will bring crazy volatility and levels may not work. My dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers, so we need to react according to the market situation. You cannot expect the market to react according to your expectation. No, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Spend some quality time, nice time with your friends and family. After all, family is more important. Bye bye.